I am Danny and welcome to my channel. We were pounded for a week with heavy rains, so I finally had a couple of days to let this thick grass try to dry out. So in the next 2 evenings, I will get my yard back in order. Enjoy the ride.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises.
After cutting the lawn, thick clumps of wet grass litter the yard. To give that lawn a professional look, I will need to do a little cleaning up. Centipede grass does not appreciate anything robbing it of its sunlight. I am making circular paths to push as much grass into a central pile to make raking up a little easier.
Not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded.
Raking this heavy, wet grass definitely is a chore, but it's gotta be done. And it's good exercise too. Going into evening 2, I'm going to start doing a little bit of edging. I'm going to edge the driveway, edge around the front of the house by the road, edge the sidewalks, and edge around the pool. And of course, you can't forget about weed trimming. I follow up my edging and trimming with using the blower to clean off debris from the landscaping bricks, side of fencing, and all concrete surfaces, including debris that is collected on the road in front of the house. Here, I am collecting the last pile of debris, which was from the edging of the roadside curb. To finish up my lawn care, I'm going to make one final cut on high. First, I got to tend to that darn flat tire. I am finally finished. This was a little grueling because of the smoldering heat. I appreciate you coming along for the ride. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell for notifications of upcoming videos. Have a great day.